All right, guys, I'm going to show you how to complete slides 2 and 3. Basically, when you go into looking at your food waste, it's asking for you to insert a table that shows how much food was wasted by each grade level, and it's saying it's going to come from column K. So if you go over to your data sheet and click on column K, so here's column K, basically it wants this information. Now, I don't have mine fully completed. You would need to complete your whole thing. But you would copy this row. So you highlight the part that you want, and then you can either right click on it and copy or just hit Control C. And then you go over to your food waste thing, slide 2, and then if you just click off of it, you don't want any of the little blue lines up, otherwise it doesn't copy correctly. Click off to the side, and then it's the page, and then hit Control V, which is paste. You can also, if you right click on it, just hit paste and it will go in as well. Now, once I have it over here, I'm going to pull it down. There's a few problems with my chart. Remember, this is a presentation, so my size of my font is not very good. So I'm going to want to make my fonts a little bit larger. So if you go down here, you can say, oh, I'm going to make it size 24, 18, or whatever you want to do. That's kind of pushing it because it's going right off the edge. Now I'm going to get rid of this little thing, so I can probably slide this thing up by grabbing the edge of it. I'm also going to need to insert a row to the, or a column to the left, because I need labels. Right now I don't have any labels, so I should know total food waste by kindergarten. And you can always drag this thing out a little bit larger if it's doing that. And then you go first, second, and so on down, and then you have your nice little labels. You probably want to get rid of this guy out of the background once you're done, and you've got a nice little chart. Now, if you look at slide 3, you're going to do the same thing, except this time you're going to be doing row 8 because you want the total waste not by grade level, but by lunches, fruits, and veggies, and entrees and others. So you would go back over. I don't have mine done, but you would go ahead and highlight each of those things that you want, copy them, Control C or right click and copy. And then you go back over here. You're gonna, don't click on the blue thing, and then hit Control V, hit paste, and then there it is. Yours will have numbers because you'll have it finished out. And then again, you're gonna need to insert a row above. So if you click on it in there, right click and insert row above, it will allow you to put your labels, which will say this was lunchbox waste and so on. And again, you also want to change your size, make it larger, all that kind of stuff, so that people can read it and it makes sense in a presentation. Okay, thanks.